Welcome to our ultimate guide on how to use the Bucharest Metro. In this video, we will answer all your questions, from ticket prices and train frequencies to travel cards, line information, and even using your mobile phone for payments. If you're tired of traffic and want a convenient and efficient way to explore Bucharest, you're in the right place. To make things easier, we've split this video into parts so you can skip ahead to the sections you're most interested in. Let's get started. Let's talk tickets. A single trip costs 3 Romanian lei and a 10-trip card costs 25 Romanian lei. Also, for unlimited travel for a day, you can get a card for 8 Romanian lei, a week for 30 Romanian lei, and for a month it's 80 Romanian lei. You can buy tickets from the ticket office or self-service machines at any metro station. If you're planning to make multiple journeys, we recommend getting a rechargeable contactless card for more flexibility and convenience. As we mentioned before, if you're planning to use the Bucharest Metro regularly, it's wise to consider getting a travel card. The travel card is a rechargeable contactless card that allows you to load credit and use it for multiple journeys without the need for single-trip tickets. Not only is it more cost-effective, but it also saves you the hassle of purchasing tickets every time you ride the metro. For tourists, we suggest the 72-hour pass costing 20 Romanian lei. There is also a 10-trip option for 25 Romanian lei. Now let's talk about the train frequencies in Bucharest. The Bucharest Metro operates from 5 a.m. till about 11 p.m. and during peak hours, trains arrive every 4 to 6 minutes. Off-peak, wait times can be up to 10 or even 15 minutes. So check the Metro map, plan your journey, and off you go. You can download a free Metro map via our link in the profile. With 63 stations spanning 77 kilometers, navigating the city becomes a breeze. It's a much faster alternative than road transport, especially during peak hours. Bucharest Metro consists of 5 lines, each color-coded for easy navigation. The lines cover numerous destinations, including popular attractions, shopping centers, and residential areas. Whether you're planning to explore the historic heart of the city or visit the outskirts, the Bucharest Metro network has got you covered with its extensive coverage. M1 is the yellow line, M2 the blue, M3 the red, M for the green. M5 is the newest line, still expanding. Be sure to check your destination when using the yellow line to avoid a big circle from the wrong direction. There is also a line connecting Gara de Nord train station with Henri Coanda Airport, and we have a video guide covering all the details. Just check the link in the profile. In this digital era, mobile phone payments have become increasingly popular, and the Bucharest Metro has embraced this convenience. You can now use your mobile phone to pay for your metro tickets by simply downloading the official Bucharest Metro app and linking your preferred payment method. Say goodbye to fumbling for change and enjoy a seamless payment experience. With the 24Pay app, you can buy a ticket only using your mobile phone. The system accepts MasterCard and Visa. Use the links in our description to download the app. The idea of a Bucharest Metro system was initially proposed in the early 20th century by engineers Dimitri Leonida and Eli Radu. Plans emerged in the late 1930s but were disrupted by World War II and political changes. By 1970, Bucharest's public transport system was inadequate, leading to the approval of the Bucharest Metro's first line in 1974. Departing from Eastern European norms, the initial stations prioritized simplicity and speed, while locally manufactured trains deviated from the regional construction style. The M1 line, inaugurated in 1979, covered 8.1 kilometers with 6 stations. Despite unique designs and a focus on practicality, some stations remain dim due to 1980s energy-saving policies. As one of the largest metro networks in the region, future extensions are planned to surpass 100 kilometers with around 80 stations. You now have all the essential information you need to navigate the Bucharest Metro system confidently. From ticket prices and train frequencies to travel cards, line information, and mobile phone payments, this guide has got you covered. So why waste time in traffic when you can efficiently explore the Romanian capital using the Bucharest Metro? It takes detailed planning and a long time to shoot, edit, and create this content. If our videos help you in your travels, please remember to like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and keep watching them. It will help us grow Bestravelvideo and constantly evolve, providing you with even better content. The next video will offer you more info. Check it out.